Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana. All right, wanted to give you my thoughts. Just wanted to give you my thoughts on the current situation. I mean, there's multiple things regarding the fundamentals I also want to talk about, but in general, congratulations, because we actually hit that $200 level and a bit higher. I mean, if you watch my videos, you knew the main level, the main target was like 205 and 210. So we hit that. Pretty happy about that, because as most of you know, I bought quite a lot of Solana down here, and I always told you it will break out. So if you bought back then as well, congratulations. All right, in the Signal group we at least did. But all right, so Solana right now super bullish again. Significant resistance level right here, broke above $200, which is a bit of a psychological breakout, or a bit of a psychological level which we broke out above. So does that mean something? Probably. But in general, Solana right now is just very bullish. And if we start to talk about the fundamentals, I think it's pretty funny, because at this point of time, most of you know that the fundamentals for Solana are quite good. All right, so if you look at the total value locked, for example, you'll get pretty happy. Total value locked of about $11.5 billion. So we're getting very close to the all-time highs we made, which is ridiculous. All right, because most blockchains, like if you compare Solana right now with Ethereum, in terms of total value locked, Ethereum is getting up there, but Ethereum's total value locked right now is at 117, and the all-time high is at 150, all right? And Solana seems to be growing more quickly. And one of the reasons why I think Solana is actually doing that well is that right now the shitcoin ecosystem on Solana is ridiculous, all right? You again on X and on Twitter, had to reset my camera. Again, you see these people starting pre-sales that you have to send 1 to 3 SOL to a certain address, and then they just scam you. But a lot of meme coins right now are also popping off on Solana. So what that means is that people are just buying SOL coins to buy those coins. So that also has an effect. I mean, if you look at Solana right now, like Bitcoin's volume has dropped down quite significantly, and Solana's volume as well. But Solana's volume over like across the board, if you look at it, last month it was 1.7 billion, and right now it's sometimes at like 12 billion. All right, so there's just a lot of buying and selling of SOL. I don't think an uptrend like this can last forever, but with the current fundamentals, and if you look at the momentum that Solana has at this point of time, I would be a fool to say that it's over. All right, this is still clearly in an uptrend. There's definitely a possibility, like if you look at the open interest right here, if the open interest keeps falling, like below this level here at 3 billion, so if we have less than $3 billion in open positions, then it's most likely we get a pullback, all right? And in general, a pullback is also not that weird, because we're at a strong resistance level. I would actually say that it's most likely to get a pullback, all right? It depends quite a bit on Bitcoin, because Solana is still correlated with Bitcoin, believe it or not. So it depends on that, but I would say that the fact that Bitcoin is not that strong, together with the open interest that is dropping down a bit right now, I would say it's most likely that we get a pullback, so into like 190, 185, maybe even 175 in bearish market circumstances. But I do not see any reason yet to believe that this uptrend is over. So that actually means that, sure, we have a pullback, we might consolidate for a bit down there, but it still seems most likely to me that we will get up to 210. That could also be very quickly, and that we have a good chance. I almost don't dare to say it, but I think we have a good chance to get back to the all-time highs. But for that, Bitcoin would need to be bullish. So if Bitcoin doesn't turn bullish soon, this will probably turn into a longer consolidation, together with a potential drop down to like 165, etc. So that's what I think is most likely. That's what all the scenarios I think you need to take into account. I will obviously keep you updated, all right? So don't worry too much about that. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your week, and bye.